Hi my beautiful people, in this beautiful video I'm going to show you how to convert from kilometers to meters or kilogram to gram using Microsoft Excel. So what you're required, you just need only one function, which is convert. So I'm going to type it here, equal sign, to activate that particular formula. Okay, then I'll just press this one so that you can see convert. Okay, then bracket, number, which column here, then put a comma because it shows you kilometer, make double strings, then inside here between kilometer, make sure it's small letters, then comma, you see it says from unit to unit. Which unit now? Meter, this one here. You can double click it or you can just write it, m, small m, then close the bracket. So by pressing enter, voila, so it's kilometer to meter. So by double clicking here, it's just like that. So it can also be kilogram to gram. Kilogram to gram. I'm changing here the titles. So I just change here in the formula. I can change here in the formula. I can show you. I just press Ctrl and okay, I change here to kg. Then I change here to g as gram. Okay, then press enter. Then double click. So when I remove this formula mode, so it's the same. So this is the way of actually converting kilometers to meters or kilogram to gram using Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more beautiful videos like this. Ciao.